Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to make an easy cranberry sauce gobbler. So let's head straight to the kitchen, guys. First step, guys, is to grease our ramekins, and I'm going to grease them and place on a small cookie sheet pan lined with wax paper, and then we move on to the other steps. Let's go through the ingredients fast. Here I have cranberry sauce, baking powder and salt, butter, sugar, flour, vanilla, milk, and we're going to need some warm water, guys. And here is the process. I'm going to add all the ingredients except the cranberry sauce and the warm water, and I'm going to use a tablespoon of sugar in this mixture, and I'm going to leave the other half tablespoon for later. Just watch the steps, guys. Now I'm going to divide the cranberry sauce equally among the ramekins. Then I'm going to also add the cobbler crust on top. Then we go on to the next step. Next, I'm going to combine the warm water and the sugar. Mix to combine, then I'm going to pour over each of the ramekins. Place in my preheated oven, and I'm going to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes until the top becomes golden brown. Then we allow to cool before serving. Here are our gobblers, fresh from the oven, and I'm going to allow them to cool Then you can serve these with ice cream, top it off with ice cream or whipped cream. In my case, I'm going to use whipped cream. Hope you guys enjoy this video and try this recipe. It's a fast and easy dessert for a Christmas dinner. And here I top it off with the Cool Whip as I mentioned earlier, but as I said, you can also use ice cream. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. And as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.